So welcome back. So in this video I'm going to teach you the best alternative for Google Admob account. If you are new on this channel, my name is Nyesiga Naboth, mostly known as NABO UG256. So I'm going to teach you the best alternative for Google Admob if you want to monetize your app. So just go on Google Play Store or just go on your browser and type in Appnext. Type in this word Appnext. So use this first link. Click on the first link, then you are good to go. As you see, it is saying made in India, apps to grow your app next or big. So it is saying Appnext, an African company, publishers, advertisers, OEMs, operators company. So you have to go on login. Here you have to tap on the login section if you want, or sign up. You have to type on the sign up section. Type on the sign up section if you want to sign up on this account on this website called Appnext, the best alternative for Admob. So put here your company. Let's say, remember we are using big boys, so let's say the company is NABO. The company is NABO UG256. Then here put the email. I remember my email. Let me check my email. My email is big boys. Use your email you have, not mine. Big boys. Then put your password. Then retype your password down here. Then click on create. Remember, we are creating an Appnext account, which is one of the best alternative for Google Admob in supplying ads to your applications. You can also advertise your apps using this same account. So it's saying let's save a password because we shall be using it. It is saying we have to activate our account. First, wait, I do my stuff here. We have to activate our account in our email. So as you can see, we got a new email from Appnext. So you have to tap into your email and activate welcome to Appnext. Follow the link to get started by clicking you agree to our terms of service, general advertisers, publishers. So click on activate my account. Here it was saying welcome to Appnext. Please confirm your email address. We sent you a verification message to bigboysafrica@gmail.com. Here, in case they will bring you have your own email. So let's reload. It's still loading. or you can come back here on login. Then put I already saved my stuff. Put here your email, then here your password, then click login. Click on login. So here the network is a bit tricky, but we shall pass via. So wait. The network is a bit down, but just no. Okay. We went through this all the steps. Just know you created your Appnext account, and now you have to add apps in your account. So I think in the next video I'll be teaching you how to add apps in your Appnext account.